First thing you want to do is you need to open up the McDonald's app. Once on the app, assuming you're logged in, you'll be on the screen right here, where in the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see it says your points. We just want to click on this option right here, and when you click on this, you can actually see your points on the screen right here just displayed. And all you need to do to use these points is you can scroll down and click on View All for the rewards option right here. And as you can see, we can click on View All, and you can see all of the deals when it comes to certain points on the McDonald's app. And for the rewards that you have enough points for, you can simply click on them and add that item to your cart. Once you click on the item and either add it to your cart or click on the scan QR code, you can actually scan that QR code at the kiosk or at the in-person register in store, and it will actually redeem the reward, giving it to you for completely free, assuming you have enough points to actually redeem the reward that you want to redeem.